Today we bring you more entertainment news and what is going on in Yoruba movie industry. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, it won't cost you anything. Share our videos to your loved ones. Stay tuned for more exciting story. Let's dive in today's update. Nollywood actress and producer Wumi Toriola has celebrated herself as a woman of strength and resilience. The screen goddess shares a photo with her fans on Instagram and uploaded herself as a woman who possesses her strength. She told her fans that behind her self-smile lies a world of strength and resilience. She said with cutting words, behind her smiles, there is a world of strength and resilience. Months ago, Wumi Toriola marked her birthday with a tribute to herself and beautiful photos. The mother of one described herself as a resilient and determined individual who had grown through many challenges. Wumi Toriola claims she is a compassionate, a giver, and a kind-hearted person who values growth and strives to improve in everything she does. Ododo TV recalls that Wumi Toriola acquired a multi-million naira mansion in Lekki, Lagos State. She shared online video of a new mansion and expressed gratitude to God for the marvelous gift. The mother of one proudly announced that she is one of the Lekki house owners. Also in 2023, which is the year we heard, Wumi Toriola found love with Nollywood actor Adedimeji during a movie shoot. Their viral engagement photos stirred mixed reactions, with many trying to acknowledge the actress' engagement with her lover. Adedimeji, who shared the photo online, shared to their favorites, while Wumi Toriola appreciated Adedimeji for being selfless and also shared to their union aiming for a forever.